Ready to strap in for a tour of the best VR headset for PC gaming as we count down the top contenders that will transform your virtual worlds. From buttery-smooth tracking and vibrant, high-contrast displays to comfy headbands and rock-solid PC compatibility, these headsets push the limits of immersion. If you want the full breakdown, comparisons, and quick takes on where each headset shines, you're in for a ride. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that being said, let's begin. At number 10, we have Oculus Quest 2. The Quest 2 remains a versatile gateway to PC VR thanks to its built-in processor, inside-out tracking, and flexible linking options that let you game on the couch or at a desk. Their 1832 by 1920 per eye LCD panel and a comfortable, adjustable fit. It delivers crisp textures and readable menus in many titles, while a lightweight frame keeps fatigue low over longer sessions. Standalone mode unlocks quick skirmishes in Quest libraries, but the real magic arrives when you plug into a PC through Link or enable Air Link to stream PC VR content like SteamVR and the Oculus PC library. Its 3D audio and impressive controller tracking feel responsive, and the large software library still drives value years after launch. Compared to the Logitech G PRO X2, which I have included as number 9 on this list, Quest 2 offers true portable VR and solid PC bridge functionality, even if the hardware is older than the latest engines. At number 9, we have Logitech G PRO X2. Pro X2 headset is built for long sessions with precise, studio-grade sound and a microphone designed for clean team communication, while its wireless lightspeed connection minimizes latency and keeps audio synchronized with fast-moving action. 15 drivers deliver strong bass and clear mids, and the plush earpads keep heat at bay during marathon sessions. Its detachable microphone and swappable memory foam offer a customized fit, and the detachable mic cape keeps the headset versatile for travel. With PC gaming fidelity in mind, the Pro X2 excels in competitive shooters and immersive sims alike. Compared to the Meta Quest Link cable, which I have included as number 8 on this list, the Pro X2 prioritizes audio fidelity and wired comfort over standalone versatility. At number 8, we have Meta Quest Link cable. This dedicated USB-C link empowers Quest adventures to become true PC VR experiences by delivering higher bandwidth, stable latency, and uncompromised visuals to your PC rig. Link cable supports streaming Quest titles to SteamVR with nearly no compromise in frame timing, and it also enables higher texture fidelity and more stable reprojection when you can't rely on wireless networks. Cable length and build quality matter for movement freedom, and the included software calibration helps reduce panning drift and latency spikes in fast-paced games. Compared to the Lenovo Legion Glasses Gen 2, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Link cable emphasizes performance through a wired connection rather than the everything-on-the-go approach. At number 7, we have Lenovo Legion Glasses Gen 2. These plug-and-play glasses aim at a compact form factor with integrated display modules and light, balanced optics that slip into a pocket-sized package. They deliver a surprisingly wide field of view and a quick setup that appeals to travelers and casual home users alike. Gen 2 upgrade focuses on improved optics clarity, better eye relief, and smoother color through coatings that reduce glare in bright rooms. Battery life is modest, but the ultra-lightweight form factor makes them comfortable for extended sessions on the couch or desk. Compared to the wireless VR headset with controller, which I have included as number 6 on this list, the Legion glasses trade a bulkier, fully autonomous system for a slimmer, still capable portable option. At number 6, we have wireless VR headset with controller. This all-in-one package is built for freedom, featuring a 3D-enabled display, 6DoF tracking, and integrated controls that minimize the need for external sensors. Its wireless dongle keeps you untethered from consoles while delivering a responsive response in most action titles, and the battery life is designed for multi-hour sessions. The display resolution is competitive for a standalone device, and the headset is comfortable for long play sessions thanks to balanced weight distribution and soft padding. Compared to the RayNeo Air 3's Pro glasses, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the wireless headset excels at movement with more autonomy, while the glass style emphasizes portability and breathability. At number 5, we have RayNeo Air 3's Pro glasses. These smart glasses blend compact form with immersive microdisplays, aiming to reduce fatigue while offering pass-through for quick situational awareness in mixed reality context. 3's Pro variant pushes brighter panels, fast switching, and more accurate eye tracking, with a design that prioritizes comfort for all-day wear. Optional clip-on accessories extend compatibility to multiple devices, and the software ecosystem is expanding with developers adding pass-through modes for gaming and productivity. Compared to the Phoebs 3D VR headset, which I have included as number 4 on this list, RayNeo focuses on portability and pass-through, while Phoebs leans into a traditional, all-in-one VR format. At number 4, we have Phoebs 3D VR headset. This budget-friendly option pairs a compact form with an accessible library and a simple firmware update path for improved stability. It supports both Android and iOS devices via app mirroring and provides a basic 6DoF tracking experience suitable for casual explorers. Headset's price-to-performance ratio makes it appealing for first-time VR buyers who want to dip their toes into PC VR through a later linkage, though the display texture and motion handling are not on par with premium offerings. Compared to the HTC Vive Focus Vision, which I have included as number 3 on this list, Phoebs emphasizes affordability while Focus Vision prioritizes standalone performance and a more robust tracking system. At number 3, we have HTC Vive Focus Vision. This standalone powerhouse delivers room-scale tracking and a rich ecosystem designed for both creators and gamers. Its inside-out sensors remove the need for external base stations, enabling quick setup and flexible play space usage. Display parameters provide crisp textures and vivid color, and the device's pass-through mode expands awareness for mixed reality tasks. The Plus Focus ecosystem thrives with enterprise-grade tools and a strong developer community, making it a reliable foundation for content and updates. Compared to Meta Quest 3, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Vive Focus Vision offers a more traditional, self-contained VR experience with perceptible PC integration through specific software partners. At number 2, we have Meta Quest 3. Quest 3 delivers a refined all-in-one experience with a sharper display, improved processors, and an expanded content library that blends standalone gaming with PC VR via Link or Air Link. Its mixed reality cameras and contextual pass-through create new gameplay opportunities, while the Quest store continues to grow with optimized titles that leverage the new physics and hand-tracking tech. The device remains relatively slim for its performance, and the ergonomic design supports longer play stretches. Compared to the HTC Vive Focus Vision, which I have included as number 3 on this list, Quest 3 leans further into cross-platform accessibility and seamless cross-device progression. At number 1, we have HTC Vive Focus Vision. This top-tier choice embodies a balanced mix of immersive optics, robust tracking, and a strong app ecosystem that keeps updating with new titles and features. The Focus Vision stands out for its reliable inside-out tracking, comfortable face gasket design, and future-proof potential through continued updates from the vendor. It shines in room-scale experiences, has a strong performance envelope, and offers features that appeal to enthusiasts who value a dedicated standalone platform as their primary gaming hub. Compared to the Meta Quest 3, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Focus Vision emphasizes a more purpose-built standalone experience with enterprise-grade options and a strong, consistent software roadmap.